In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Udemy customer service. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go on the site, how to find helpful resources, and how to reach out with a clear message when you need personal assistance. Start by opening the Udemy website in your browser. Once the page loads, scroll all the way down to the bottom. In the footer, look for the link labeled Help and Support and click it. Going through this official link ensures you're in the right place and helps you avoid outdated or third-party pages. If you're signed in, that can also help support better understand your account context, but it isn't required just to browse help articles. You'll land on Udemy's Help Center. Front and center, you'll see a search bar. Click into it and type what you need. Keep your search short and specific so you get the best results. For example, use phrases like refund request, course not playing, or instructor payment. As you type, you'll usually see suggested topics appear underneath, which can quickly point you to the most relevant information. From the search results, choose the article that closely matches what you're looking for and click Read Article. These official guides often walk you through fixes right away, saving you time. Take a moment to read carefully and follow any instructions shown. Many common issues like access problems, billing questions, or video playback can be resolved directly from these resources. If the article doesn't fully solve your problem, look within it for a Contact Us option. This link typically appears near the end of the page. Click it to move into the direct support flow. Using Contact Us from within a related article helps route your message to the right team and reduces back and forth. You'll now see a form with a message field. In that field, type your concern clearly and concisely. Explain what's happening, when it started, and what you've already tried. Include helpful context such as the course title, the device or browser you're using, and any error messages you've seen. Avoid sharing sensitive details like full payment information or passwords. The goal is to provide enough specifics for the support team to understand the issue on the first read so they can help you faster. Writing in short, clear sentences and using the exact wording of any on-screen messages can make a big difference. That's the process from start to finish. Open Udemy. Scroll to Help and Support, search for guidance, read the article, then use Contact Us and describe your concern in the message field. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get the assistance you need quickly and confidently.